Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little video for you guys about my favorite highlighting technique, specifically with the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighters. So if you haven't tried these already, these are a bit of a cream-based highlight. Very pretty. I have the shades Flexitarian and Lunch Money. They're pretty user-friendly, but sometimes I find that applying them with a finger or my brush, they can get a little bit streaky, but I have found the perfect technique, and I'm not kidding when I say this, for the most flawless, foolproof application of these highlighters. So I will zoom you guys in and let's get into it. All right, now that you guys are zoomed in, I think I'm gonna start off with the shade Flexitarian. Okay, so you're gonna open your highlighter up, and then if you do your face with a beauty sponge, I use a beauty blender, you're going to take your damp beauty blender and you are going to rub the round part a little bit right in the pan. This is going to pick up the highlighter on the bottom. As you can see, I would probably put a bit more. And with this, you are going to apply your highlight. So I'm going to turn my face so you guys can see. I'm just going to start stamping on my highest point. Move it. And see, nice, flawless, blended glow. And I can continue to build that up. I can bring it down closer to my cheek too. If you tilt your head, you can see there is no harsh lines whatsoever. Everything is perfectly blended with the beauty blender. You can continue to build this up too. Probably put a little bit more. You can pinch your sponge to get your desired application. But there you have it, perfect, flawless highlight with the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighters. I'm actually going to do the other side too, and this time I'm actually going to take the shade Lunch Money. Flexitarian is a bit of a true, say, almost cool tone champagne, whereas Lunch Money is like a warm, light yellow gold. So I'm going to take Lunch Money on my sponge like I did Flexitarian. I've got my mirror over here. I'm just going to start dabbing it on the high points of my cheeks. So this highlight is a bit softer, but you can still see a very flawless application. Everything is super blended already just because you're using the beauty blender. You can also take some of it down your nose too. Just pinch it, stamp it a little bit, the bridge of the nose. And I put a little bit at the tip. There, flawless. Super easy, foolproof. Go try it out. Let me know what you think. You can either do this after your setting spray or before your setting spray. I chose to do this after just because I'm filming a different look that I'll link below for you guys. So yeah, that is it for this video. Super quick, but one of my favorite techniques I just had to share with you guys. So if you try it, let me know what you think in the comments. Tag me on Instagram. Would love to see your pictures of your flawless, beaming Colourpop highlight, or cream highlight for the matter, whatever brand. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for post notifications every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.